Powerloom means a machine that is used to weave cloth using electricity. In simple words, a powerloom is a machine that makes fabric quickly with the help of power instead of handwork. Earlier, cloth was made using handlooms, where people wove fabric by hand. But a powerloom uses electrical power to produce large amounts of cloth in less time. Powerlooms are commonly used in textile factories to make cotton, silk, wool, and synthetic fabrics. For example, many textile industries use powerlooms to produce saris, shirts, and other garments. Now let us understand with daily use sentences. The factory installed new powerlooms to increase production. Powerloom machines can produce fabric faster than handlooms. Many workers are employed in the powerloom industry. This sari is made on a powerloom. The town is famous for its powerloom factories. Powerloom technology helps in mass production of textiles. In short, a powerloom is an electric machine used for weaving cloth quickly and efficiently.